Welcome to HVAC official channel. Today we are going to learn the fundamentals of HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. If you are a beginner technician, student, or just curious about how HVAC works, this video will give you a clear step-by-step explanation of the basics. Let's get started. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Purpose: to control temperature, humidity, and air quality inside a building. Everyday examples: split AC, central AC, chillers, heaters, and ventilation fans. Basic principles of HVAC: thermodynamics, heat flows from hot to cold. Refrigeration cycle, compressor to condenser to expansion valve to evaporator. Airflow, moving cooled or heated air through ducts or fans. Indoor air quality, IAQ, keeping the air clean and breathable. Key components of HVAC: compressor, pumps refrigerant. Condenser, rejects heat outside. Expansion valve, controls refrigerant flow. Evaporator, absorbs heat indoors. Air handler/blower, moves air through ducts. Thermostat, controls the system. Ductwork and vents distribute air. Types of HVAC systems: split AC system for homes. Packaged unit, commercial use. Central HVAC, large buildings. VRF/VRV systems, modern efficient systems. Chillers, for industrial cooling. Importance of ventilation: supplies fresh air, removes CO2. Can be mechanical, fans, ducts, or natural. Windows, vents. Helps prevent sick building syndrome. Energy efficiency and maintenance, regular filter cleaning. Proper refrigerant charge. Correct duct design. Use of energy-efficient equipment. Inverter compressors, modern refrigerants. Career and learning path. HVAC technicians are always in demand worldwide. Skills needed: basic science, electrical knowledge, mechanical understanding. Certifications: EPA, ASHRAE courses, local technical training. Now you know the fundamentals of HVAC, how it works, its components, and why it is so important. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to HVAC official channel for more detailed guides on compressors, condensers, refrigeration systems, and more. See you in the next video.